Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. We are playing Monopoly Go, and I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks that I've learned so far in the little time that I've been playing the game. So we're going to go ahead now, of course, and once you're on your gameplay, you can see on the big go button at the bottom of the screen, there is a ×3 on that. And as much as you are gaining 3 times the reward on every spin, every dice spin, what's basically happening is you're using 3 times the amount of dice within that spin. So what you want to do here is, in actual fact, only sort of use it every now and then you won't be wasting your dice. So basically, if you're using 3 times or 2 times, and sometimes it does go higher, basically what's happening is you're using the same amount of dice that you're getting reward. So I know it seems like you will be making more reward, however you are using more dice, and sometimes having more rolls and using one roll per dice roll will allow you to actually gain more reward. The next thing I actually want to show you here is the go button. Now it says very small, hold for auto. Now once you hold for auto, you can literally just let this roll and roll and roll and roll until you actually run out of rolls. And you can basically, if you want to rack up some cash and some progress, you can go ahead and not actually have to tap on the go roll dice button every single time you need to roll. The third tip that I would like to share with you today is going up to the if you have a bank heist button, and it seems to me every time I tap on that, it actually it brings this window up, and I tap on got it, and basically when I roll again, what happens is I have a higher chance of actually landing on the icons that will allow me to start the bank heist. And then once you're actually in the bank heist, you actually have the opportunity on the bottom of the page to change your opponent. And I always suggest that you do change your opponent. And once you change your opponent, your loot that you gain actually may be a little bit bigger than what it would normally be on the normal opponent without having to replace it. Then the last thing I want to show you is going up to the top right hand side. You have the menu. You're going to open that menu. Now once you go into join us, you are wanting to go ahead and connect with all of these platforms on the Monopoly Go community. And basically what will happen is you will have the opportunity to gain special offers, special rewards, and special spins. So you can actually gain more by actually connecting with all of those communities, and you can obviously progress in the game a lot quicker. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheerio.